Hello, my name is Gladys. I will be teaching you English using the English is Fun series. This session will cover the Book 1 lessons. For today's lesson, you will learn how to ask and introduce yourself to another person. The title of this unit is Hello, what is your name? In the picture shown here, there are two persons who are introducing themselves. The boy is Tom and the girl is Debbie. Tom introduces himself to Debbie by saying, I'm Tom. And Debbie introduces herself by saying, I'm Debbie. Before going to the dialogue between Tom and Debbie, let us first note some key words and phrases found in this lesson. These words are name, I, what, my, hello or hi, and your. Okay, when someone asks you, what's your name? Your answer will be, my name's, then you say your name. Or you can say, my name is, then you say your name. My name's and my name is are the same. My name's is the short form of my name is. Sometimes the question would be, what is your name? What is your name is the same as what's your name. So when somebody will ask you, what is your name? The answer is still, my name is. Okay, let us practice with Mary. You can practice speaking with Mary.
What's your name?
Repeat what Mary is saying and say it aloud.
What's your name?
One more time, say it louder.
What's your name?
One more time, say it louder.
What's your name?
Very good. Now let us practice with Mary on how to reply to the question. Listen to Mary.
My name is Mary.
Now repeat what Mary said, but instead of saying my name is Mary, you say my name is, then you say your name. Okay? Now say your name with Mary.
My name is Mary.
One more time. Say your name with Mary.
My name is Mary.
One last time. Say your name with Mary.
My name is Mary.
Now let us use hi or hello with what is your name? Listen how Mary says hi first before asking the question, what is your name?
Hi, what's your name?
Now repeat after Mary.
Hi, what's your name?
One more time.
Hi, what's your name?
One last time. Repeat after Mary.
Hi, what's your name?
So when somebody asks you, hi, what's your name? You may answer by saying, my name is. Another way of answering the question, what's your name? Is by directly saying, I'm. Then you say your name. My name is and I'm are the same. Let us listen again to Mary.
Hi, what's your name? I'm Mary.
One more time.
Hi, what's your name? I'm Mary.
One more time.
Hi, what's your name? I'm Mary.
Remember, when somebody asks you, "Hi, what's your name?" you will tell them your name by saying, "My name is," or simply answer, "I'm," then you say your name. Now let us go to the conversation practice between Tom and Debbie.
Hello,
Hi,
what's your name?
I'm Debbie. What's your name?
I'm Tom.
One more time.
Hello,
Hi,
what's your name?
I'm Debbie. What's your name?
I'm Tom.
One last time.
Hello,
Hi,
what's your name?
I'm Debbie. What's your name?
I'm Tom.
Okay, after watching and listening to the lessons in this unit, it's time to practice speaking and writing so that you'll be able to master the lesson and speak English with confidence. For your speaking practice, keep on speaking the phrases and sentences you learned in this lesson. Speak loudly so that you can hear yourself and compare what you say with the lessons taught in this video. When you feel you are ready to record yourself and share it to your classmates, go to your messenger chat group and send these 2 voice messages. Number 1, "Hi, what is your name?" Number 2, "My name is," then say your name. For your writing practice, go to page 17 of your book and do the writing practice. As you write the correct order of the sentence, read it aloud. Number 1, write the sentence, "What is your name?" Number 2, write the sentence, "I am Debbie." And number 3, write the sentence, "My name is Tom." Then the next writing practice, complete the following sentences with am or is. Number 1, "I blank Tom." What should you fill in the blank? Am or is? Number 2, "What blank your name?" Write either am or is. And lastly, "My name blank Debbie." Write in the blank either I or is. After doing these exercises, take a picture of what you have written and send it to your chat group. Please make sure that you have already done your assignments before the online live session. Remember, to learn English, you need to practice always by listening, speaking, reading, and writing. If you have more time today, repeat what you have learned until you have mastered the lesson and become more confident in speaking, reading, and writing. Bye-bye. See you all in Unit 2.